Hi, I'm Debbie and I'm a volunteer with BrumYODO. And BrumYODO helps people of all ages, children and adults, to have conversations about death and dying, because we can often find it to be a subject that's really hard to talk about. So BrumYODO are looking at all sorts of different ways to help us have that conversation that death is a natural part of life. It's been a really difficult time in Birmingham and in fact the world over, and a very sad time. Many people have been ill because of COVID and many people have died. When someone dies, it can be really sad for those people who knew the person well, and it's been even harder during COVID because we haven't been able to see each other or support each other in person. We haven't been able to visit people in hospital or in care homes, and some people haven't been able to go to funerals. BrumYODO has been working with the theatre Birmingham Hippodrome to find ways in which we can talk about how we're feeling and remember all those who have died. And in May we're going to be bringing a very special artwork to Birmingham called In Memoriam. In Memoriam has been created by the artist Luke Jerram. It's going to be in Aston Park in Birmingham between the 8th and the 16th of May. It's an installation that is made up of 120 flags, helping us to remember all those who have died and also to say thank you to all those in the NHS and all those other workers who've played such an important part in helping us through this difficult period. We've been thinking about how local people can get engaged in the In Memoriam artwork, and we're encouraging everybody, children and adults, to think about making their own In Memoriam flag. And it can be made of anything that you've got at home. It can be made of fabric, it can be made of paper, and it's about something that's personal to you. You might want to make a flag that's thinking about someone who's died and be thinking about what was special about them, what memories have you got, how can you make that flag personal for you and that person. Or you might decide that you want the flag to show how you're feeling at the moment or what really stands out from the past year for you. And of course you might want to make the flag to say thank you, and that might be to the NHS, might also be to your teachers or anybody else who you think has done a really important job during this difficult period in the past year. What we'd like to see is hundreds of flags right across Birmingham telling lots of different stories. And have a think about where you'd like to put your flag. Are you going to put it indoors, perhaps up in a window, or would you like to put it outdoors? In a garden or perhaps a window box. And if it is going outdoors, it's just thinking about what materials might you make it of. So thinking about, is it weatherproof? So as you make your flag, are you wanting to thank or remember?